Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is ABS. Okay, so ABS method is mainly used to convert the negative value to positive value, or you can say it provide a absolute value. ABS is absolute. Okay, so here I have noted few scenarios. One by one, we will discuss each and every scenario with output. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So here in first scenario we have stored the number as -5, and then to convert it to absolute value or to positive value we are using ABS. So syntax is like this: you have to write ABS and inside parentheses you can pass the number, means the variable which you want to convert or which you want to provide convert into absolute value. So I have put number here num, so the output is 5. Why? Because it was -5, so it removes the negative sign and it becomes 5. So let's verify this by running the program. So on terminal I am writing python space session44.py and enter. So it print multiple outputs. So let's see the first one. So first output is 5, which is correct because it converts the -5 to 5. Now look at the second scenario. Here we are using -3.14. So what it will do, it will keep the value as 3.14 only, because it basically it removes the negative value and it also contains the negative sign. So it changes the output to it changes the value and convert it to 3.14. Okay. Now another question is, is it possible to use this ABS on 0? Because suppose if you are trying to convert some value to absolute value and by mistakenly it contains some 0, so will it work? Yes, it will work, but it will not change anything. It will show it as it is. So you can see here it is printing 0 only. Now if you talk about the fourth scenario, here I'm using one expression. So if you look at the expression, we are using 2 minus 4. So it should return normally it should return -2 because 4 is the largest number. But here we are using this expression inside ABS, so that's why it is returning only 2. It removes the negative sign. So if you can also provide the expression into this as an argument. Now look at the fifth scenario. Here we are using the expression, and the expression is 3 into 5. So it firstly it multiply the value and then it will calculate the absolute of 15. So the output is 15. Okay, as there was nothing as a negative, so it normally shows the positive value. Now look at the sixth scenario. Here we are storing the value as -10. So what at ABS will do, it will convert the value into positive 10, and you can see here it returns 10. Okay, so yeah, these are the some scenarios where we can utilize ABS method. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.